Curve DAO token is absolutely ripping today. Let's talk about why this is happening and where I think this coin could be headed very soon. Make sure to watch to the very end of this video so you don't miss any of my analysis on this coin. And if you guys want to pick up a free stock with Public, check out our link down in the description below. When you guys use that link, not only do you support the channel, but you also can get a free stock with it and sign up with a great social investing network that lets you see what we're buying, what we're selling, and of course, all of our thoughts on the current market. But other than that, guys, let's get right into this video. Alrighty, guys, here we are with CRV token or Curve DAO token or DAO, yeah, however you guys want to pronounce it. I know you guys all have your, different ways of pronouncing and, talking about these coins. I know some people are very picky about it, so I don't want to offend anybody, but here we are with it, right? We're sitting at about $2.74 per share, or per coin rather, and we're up about 28% on the day here. I believe this is the 1-day chart, 24-hour chart rather. As far as the week goes, we're up about 10%. If we go to the month, we're up about 16%, and overall over the year, we're about 48% up from where we were last year, which is very, very impressive indeed. Obviously, in the early parts of this year, we saw DAO explode to highs of around $3 to $4 per coin, and since then, of course, it has pulled back a little bit here, but now we're starting to get on a nice and steady upward trend, hopefully to the upside, obviously, right? This is what we're all expecting. Now, a lot of people are wondering, why is this happening? Is this going to continue? Are we going to continue to see a run, especially in altcoins like this? And we had this article here which basically kind of details why this is happening, obviously, but it also kind of gives us some information on just different things happening in the crypto market, and I think it would be something really interesting to dive into and read. So, without further ado, let's take a look. Governance proposals and layer 2 launches provide a boost to altcoins. RGT, CRV, and SNX saw double-digit rallies after new governance proposals and migration to layer 2 platforms. Bullish sentiment is on the rise on September 14th, that the price of Bitcoin climbed higher throughout the morning and now takes aim at the $47,000 level. The building momentum also had a positive effect on altcoins, and a handful of tokens posted double-digit gains. Here's just a few. Obviously, this is a screenshot, and there, as you can see there, Curve is currently sitting at up of at the time this photo was taken, 26% at $2.69. Obviously, it's a little bit higher since then, and it's going still pretty well. Data from the Cointelegraph Markets Pro Trading View, it just basically tells you what I just read. RGT holders vote on the project's first DAO proposal. The RARI governance token is the native token of RARI Capital, a non-custodial decentralized finance protocol that offers users a way to autonomously trade crypto assets and earn a yield. So kind of a DeFi product, right? Basically staking and of course earning return on that, which is obviously very, very cool indeed. According to data from the Cointelegraph Markets Pro, market conditions for RGT have been favorable for some time. The Vortex score, exclusive to Cointelegraph, is an wow, I am killing it today with the reading, guys, with the algorithmic comparison of historical and current market conditions derived from a combination of data points including market sentiment, trading volume, recent price movements, and Twitter activity. Very cool stuff indeed. RGT is obviously not what this video is about, though, so let's keep reading here. Here we have Curve. Curve launches on Arbitrium, however you guys want me to pronounce it. Let me know in the comments below. You can yell at me all you want. The Curve DAO token is the native token of the Curve protocol, a decentralized exchange for stablecoins that focuses on providing on-chair liquidity using advanced bonding curves. Vortex data from Cointelegraph Markets Pro began to detect a bullish outlook. As you can see here, this is kind of what they said. It's basically kind of a way that's basically, this seems like a predicting algorithm, right? That kind of tries to time and look into when these coins could possibly break out or explode to the upside. And as you can see here, that's kind of what it seems like a lot of this article is kind of an advertisement for, which I think is interesting. But either way, we'll keep reading here. As seen in the chart above, the Vortex score for CRV spiked into the green zone on September 9th, as you can see there, and registered a high of 75 1 hour before the price increased by 42% over the next 4 days. The boost in momentum for CRV seen on September 13th came as a result for the announcement that Curve Protocol had launched on the Ethereum layer 2 scaling solution Arbitrium, which is obviously, like I just talked about. I know if I'm mispronouncing it, I'm sorry, but that is actually a big deal, right? So Ethereum layer 2 is something that just recently has been really causing a lot of, I guess, word to kind of spread around social media as far as just talking about it and getting it out to these people. It's incredible. It's incredible to see some of these communities form together and begin to not only push forward these projects and continue them in their development, because obviously these projects would be almost nothing, in my opinion, without the cryptocurrencies that actually they represent. Whether it's Ethereum, whether you look at Polygon Matic, whatever, Cardano. All of these have these, incredible projects that are being worked on, simultaneously, and obviously, it's incredible stuff, really, everything that's going on right now. And I think think right now it's still so early in the crypto space and just overall in this kind of area that we're in right now. There's so much time for people to still not only invest in different cryptocurrencies, of course, but also there's so much development still happening. In my opinion, this is the Wild West, right? This is the next big frontier, much like we saw with the internet, right? In the early 2000s when the internet was first getting developed. This kind of really mimics that in a lot of ways, right? There's so much money involved, and there's so many people becoming millionaires from NFT projects, cryptocurrency projects, blockchain innovations. There's so much happening every single day, and it's beautiful. It's really an amazing, beautiful thing to see, and I'm so happy that I can be at least a little bit of a part of it, make these videos and invest in my own cryptocurrencies and everything else. It's a really, really cool thing, guys. The rest of this article goes on to talk about Synthex, and I don't want to really get into that because that's not what the video is about, obviously. Let's hop into the Binance chart here, though. It's technically a trading view chart, but it's on Binance. This is what we're looking at right now. We're at $2.72 at the time of making this video. And this is a little bit of a wider time frame here. Obviously, we had a large run back here in April, kind of May area. A lot of volatility, but again, run to the upside here around the $4 level. What a lot of people want to know, though, is now that Curve is obviously having this beautiful green candle on the intraday. Is this going to continue? Is this something that's sustainable for the long term? Because as we just read, the main reason why this is happening is because there's a lot of layer 2 innovation, and a lot of projects are starting to move over to that, to that platform basically. And that's going to change a lot for not only the industry as a whole in cryptocurrency, but it's going to change a lot for the way the projects are being created and how they're going to be sustained. And again, whether or not this continues for Curve, again, I really like Curve as far as the stablecoin solutions that they're working on, and I mean the whole emphasis of the coin, right, in the first place. But again, guys, I'm still pretty bullish on this coin. I have price targets at the end of the year of probably around $5. End of the year, though, is getting a little bit close now, right? We're in September. So really, these end of year price targets are more likely being set to next September, right? That this is in September of 2022, not, the end of this year, December 2021, right? So that's something you need to keep in mind, right? Whenever you hear a price target. But I really do think that as long as Curve can maintain, obviously, the great fundamentals that I think, in my personal opinion, this project has, and it has been doing for a while now, I really think that they can do some really amazing stuff here in the end of 2021 and into 2022, guys. We're gonna be watching it very close, though, always trying to provide new news and information to hopefully educate you guys and just help you guys know, obviously, what coins you're holding. Maybe if there's something happening that you might not realize it's happening, you see one of our videos and go, oh my God, I totally forgot I was holding that coin. You go check it out and you made a bunch of money. Who knows? Something like that, guys. We try to keep you guys educated and informed as much as we can. But other than that, guys, that is pretty much it today for Curve. Make sure to like the video, subscribe if you're new, hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video like this. If you guys want to pick up a free stock in public, check out our link down in the description below. When you guys use that link, not only do you support the channel, obviously, but you also can get a free stock and be a part of a great social investing network that allows you to see what people are buying, what they're selling, and of course, everybody's thoughts on the current market situation. But other than that, guys, that is all I have for you guys today. I'm Kyle with Finance Bro. Take it easy.